You are about to practice beginner's meditation. So welcome to Fightmaster Yoga. I'm Lesley Fightmaster, and we are on day 14 today. We'll begin with a little bit of movement first so that we can be comfortable when we come into our meditation. And if meditation seems difficult, you're not alone. So just do the best that you can and enjoy the process.
And today's winner is Alyssa Berman from Toronto, Canada. Yay! Alyssa, you won a free yoga mat from Jade Yoga. Now, if you would like to win a free yoga mat as well, you can still enter. Just go to fightmasteryoga.com/free mat and enter there. But remember, you have to subscribe to Fightmaster Yoga and push the like button because we like each other so much and we like you too.
Sitting up nice and tall, let's take the hands together in front of the heart. Begin to take some long, smooth breaths in and out through the nose. So may our practice help us to calm the mind as well as the body. And then just gently roll yourself down onto your back and hug your right knee into your chest, circling right ankle in one direction and then the other. And then inhale to extend the right leg up toward the ceiling. You can hold on behind the right thigh. And you can extend the left leg out onto the mat unless that's a little too intense. And hold your right leg anywhere along the back of the leg. And next exhale, bend the knee and open it to the right. Keep your left hip grounded down as you breathe here, perhaps looking over your left shoulder. Return to steady breath. Inhale through center, keeping the knee bent. Exhale, take it off to the left side, looking over your right shoulder for a little twist. As you breathe here, turning the belly up toward the ceiling to increase the twist, and then back to center, bending both knees, and then left knee into chest. Circle in one ankle in one direction, and then the other. And inhale to extend the left leg up, flex the ankle. You can keep the right knee bent here, or you can extend the right leg out. And you don't have to hold high on the leg. If the knee's a little bent, it's fine. You're just working it toward straighter as you breathe and stretch. Bending the knee will open the left leg to the left while keeping the right hip down. Keeping the knee bent, or as I'm showing, the leg extended out to the left is another option. Turn to look over the right shoulder as you twist, and then come back to center. And bending the knee, take the knee to the right, look over the left shoulder. Now if it bothers the neck to turn and look either way, then just look straight up. The most important thing is to continue to take care of yourself. Come back to center with your knees bent, drawing them in toward the chest. And then start to take the feet to the floor, keeping a little bend in your knees. So we're going to just begin to sink in here. Make sure the lower back is lengthening, shoulder blades away from the ears. You are welcome to keep the knees bent, or if you want to extend the legs all the way out for your meditation practice, you can do that as well. So as you're here, either lying with the knees bent or maybe the legs extended, just gradually become aware of the sensations of your breath. Notice where you feel the breath most distinctly. maybe the tip of the nose, or maybe rising and falling in your chest or in your belly. Just notice. And wherever you feel it, just bring your attention there to the sensations that you feel. And now just let your breath come and go naturally, inhaling and exhaling without any need to control it. If you have deep breaths, that's fine. If your breaths are more shallow, that's also fine. Just become aware of the sensations of the breath as closely as you can. And as you're paying close attention to the breath, you may also feel other sensations in your body, perhaps becoming aware of sounds around you. Allow yourself to notice any other sensations and any other sounds around you, but then take your attention back to your breath. See if you can become aware of what happens in your mind whenever you begin to hear my voice. So as you're beginning the meditation, you may find that the sound of my voice is interrupting a thought that you are in the middle of. So notice without any judgment, because judgment is just a thought. So let that go and come back to turning your focus again towards your breath. Whenever your mind begins to wander with thoughts or images, acknowledge the thought, the image, allow it to fade, and take your attention once again to your breath. And now for the next minute or so of our meditation, just notice when the next inhalation begins, and then notice when it becomes time for the exhalation. And just continue noticing breathing in and noticing breathing out. Next inhale, just hug the knees in, and then exhale, extend through your arms and your legs. Bending both knees, roll yourself off to your right, and again, thank yourself for showing up today as you press up to seated. Hands together in front of the heart. We'll bring hands to forehead to remind us to have clear and loving thoughts. Hands to heart center, reminding us to have clear and loving intentions. And the hands to the mouth to remind us to have clear and loving communications. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining. I am so grateful and thankful that you're here. And if you're still here at the very end, our word for today is community. That's the secret word. So if you heard the secret word community, write it in the comments below. And I know that you were here the whole time. I'll see you tomorrow.